Hello, and welcome to a tutorial on how to use Easybib to cite sources and create a bibliography.
The objectives on this video are for you to learn how to create a new project, add collaborators, cite sources, and export and insert your bibliography into your assignment. Before you begin citing your sources, please ensure you have added the Easybib Chrome extension and Easybib app from the Google App Store. Once you have done that, you are ready to begin. So let's start off with logging into Easybib. To do that, click on the Easybib app, then choose Google to sign in with your school account. Once you are signed in, click on the green New Project button. Now, choose a name for your project and click Create. If you are working with someone on your project, click the Share button that is located next to your document. Now, add the email address of the person you want to share your bibliography with and select permissions. Do you want the person you shared the bibliography with to be able to view your bibliography, edit the bibliography, or just leave a comment on your bibliography? Once you have selected permissions for your bibliography, click Share. The person you shared your bibliography with will receive an email indicating that they have been invited by you to view, edit, or comment your bibliography. Let's take a look at Easybib to see the various sources Easybib can help you cite. To do this, click on All Projects to return to your projects and select the bibliography link of the project you just created. Now, you see where you can select different sources that you would like to cite. The most common that are used are website, book, newspaper, journal, and database. However, if you click the next tab, you can see all 59 sources that Easybib can help you cite. Some others that you may find helpful to use are blog and digital image. So how do you use Easybib to create a bibliography? Let's explore that next. So many of you may begin your search to find information for a research project online. So let's take a look at how the Chrome Easybib extension can help you. Say you are assigned a project on traveling to Canada and you want to take information from their Keep Exploring Canada website to share activities to do while visiting Canada in your project. To cite your source using the Easybib Chrome extension, follow these steps. 1. Make sure you are on the page where you located the information. 2. Click on the Easybib extension. 3. Select Cite on Easybib. 4. Go through each section to make sure that all required information has been provided. In this example, most of the sections have been filled out automatically. It is still a good idea to go through and make sure that the information provided is the correct information. Now, you want to go through and make sure that all the information is correct. So, double check that the source type is the correct one. So here you will see content published originally on a website. 2, you have the article title. You will see that this has already been filled out for you. 3, contributors or author. You can go back to the site and see if you can locate any author's name. Doesn't seem to be any author's name on this web page. 4, the website title. This has already been filled out for you. 5, the publisher sponsor. For this, I usually scroll down to the bottom of the web page. And in this case, it looks like Canadian Tourism Commission's 2013 is the sponsor of this page. And 6, make sure the link up to the web page is pasted and make sure that you selected Display URL Yes. 7, also make sure to put in the date that you viewed the site. And if possible, put the date that the article or site that you were viewing was published. In this case, there is no date. Once you have finished filling out all the sections, click on Create Citation, and to view your citation, select View Your Bibliography. Now, when you view your citation, you want to make sure that the citation has been put into the new project you just created. If it is not, then you need to scroll down, click the box next to the citation, click on With Checked and select Copy into another project. You will then be able to select the project you want to copy the citation to. This is really helpful, especially if you are working on multiple projects all at once. One of the really great things about using Easybib is that each time you add a new source, it will update your bibliography and put the sources in alphabetical order. For the sake of this video, let me add the source we just cited to an existing project of mine. You will see that the source has just been copied and added to another one of my projects, and it has been placed in the right order. For the remaining sources that you cite for your project, you always want to remember to follow the steps that you were just presented to you. 1. Make sure you are on the page where you located the information. 2. Click on the Easybib extension. 3. Select Cite on Easybib. 4. Now go through each section to make sure that you have filled out all the required information. 5. Create your citation. 6. Make sure that the citation is copied onto the correct project. Once you are finished your research project and you have cited all of your sources, the final step is to insert your bibliography into your project. To do that, you want to view your bibliography. You can do that by clicking on the Easybib app or the Easybib extension. Click on Go to My Projects. Open the bibliography you want to export. Now you have a few options. You can print your bibliography as a Word doc, save it to your Google Docs, email the bibliography to yourself, or copy and paste. I recommend clicking on Copy and Paste. A new tab will then open up, and this will allow you to copy and paste your bibliography, which makes it much easier if you need to copy and paste it into the bottom of your research paper, presentation, blog, etc.
And there you go. You have successfully created a bibliography with Easybib. You've cited your sources and have avoided plagiarizing any information found online. Good luck with creating your bibliography, and thanks for watching.